Hi guys, this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to review for you guys this beautiful Nicka K Newyork Perfect 9 eyeshadow palette. I recently bought this Nicka K Perfect 9 eyeshadow palette because I wanted to have some gorgeous glitter eyeshadows in my collection, and this one was a really affordable one to try on first. For those of you who don't know, Nicka K is an affordable international makeup brand, and the products for this brand can mostly be purchased online. They have their specific website called nicka.com. But I had purchased this palette from nicka.com. It is also available on Jabong as well as Amazon. Now this palette comes with 9 different shades, out of which 8 are eyeshadow shades and this particular one is a blush shade. And I had purchased it from nicka.com and I had got it for around 550 rupees. And presently for you guys, there's a 20% off going on right now on this palette. So you can get it easily for around 440 rupees. So I was just going through some of the details about this palette. Now on the website it says that the shadows are highly pigmented and long lasting. They are crease resistant and highly saturated shimmer pigments. So let's check out how these eyeshadows really are and let's try them out. Now I'm going to swatch each of these shadows on my arm and show you how the colors and pigmentation really is. The first shade is more like a dark chocolate glitter color and the second one is a lighter bronze shade. Then we have a dark golden glitter shimmery color, and the fourth one is more on a yellowish tinge, but it is really pigmented. My favorite color out of this palette is this rose gold shimmery color, and the last one is this very nice subtle peach shade. This is their shimmery silver color. This is more to be used like a highlighter and it has a lot of pigmentation. I love this dark grey glitter color, and the last shade is a rose, so it's a pinky shimmery golden rose color. As I tried these eyeshadows on my arm, I feel that they are really pigmented. The glitters are coming out very nicely, but also I think there is a lot of fallout from these eyeshadows. They are a little chalky, that's why they are falling out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply these on my eyelids and let's see how they look over there. To start with, I suggest you guys to use a wet brush because that will bring out the maximum glitter out of these colors. So here I'm taking that shimmery peach color I showed you and applying it all over my lid. Now over it, I will be taking an angled brush and applying this dark golden shade. I'm mostly going to apply it in the inner crease of my eyes. Now I'm taking a small pointed brush and applying this silver shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eyes. This will make my eyes look really bright and white. And now I'm just repeating the same on the other side. Now let's check out this pink shimmery blush shade. The pink blush is very subtle, but it gives a very lovely highlighted look. Look at that shine. Now, I want you guys to know that I am not an expert in makeup, but this is a perfect eyeshadow palette when you just want to get ready at home without the need of going to any parlor and get a glittering and shimmering parlor-like look at home for any party or wedding. Now, in terms of pricing, the range of colors and pigmentation, I would give this palette an 8 out of 10. However, I felt that some of the colors were really chalky and we need to apply this with a wet brush to get the perfect look. So overall, I will rate this palette a 7 out of 10. It's a thumbs up and I really recommend you guys to buy it. So guys, if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. I have crossed 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and a huge shout out to you guys for helping me come this way. Now let me know in the comment box down below that if you like such kind of videos or any other products that you want me to review for you. I would just love to do it. See you next time.